Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn the first part in the process of creating a toddler slideshow for each month. And there's a couple of prerequisites that you're going to need before you begin. You're going to need ProPresenter installed and configured based on the previous YouTube videos that we've made, and you're also going to need the pre-K slides for that month delivered from the person who creates those. Right now it's the tech coordinator, but in the future it may be someone else may be assigned that and they will give it to you. The whole process shouldn't take you more than 20 or 30 minutes to do it in just a normal month, but if there are some embellishments or as you start to learn and try new things, that could obviously take more time. But this task shouldn't take more than 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish. You'll also need the pre-K slides with the basic truths on them that are right here. So in the first part of this, you'll receive these two slides from the person who created them. They may even be you, right? But you got to have the pre-K slides done for the month before you can begin. And these are the pre-K slides for the month of April. They're broken down into two parts, and you'll need both parts to complete this successfully. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to duplicate them. And to do that, once they're imported, go up here to the library and you find the one that you want to duplicate. In this case, it's part 1. You right click on it and you say duplicate. And what it'll do is it will create an exact version of it with the word copy 1. And you single left click on it and that'll allow you to rename it. And then you go ahead and you come down to the very beginning and you rename it Toddler. And you hit enter. Now it's renamed and ready to go. We're going to do the same thing with part 2. So I'm going to find 2019 April, and I'm not searching for the right thing, pre-K, and there's part 2, right click, duplicate. Now sometimes it will do this and it won't automatically take you to the new name. What it does is so you just go up top again and you search for the word copy, and then you'll find the one that it renamed, because it just adds copy 1. It doesn't always display it to you right away. And just in case you were wondering, if I haven't explained it in other videos, is the naming standard that I use right now is I started off with the environment that it supports, and then I add the year and the month so that they're alphabetized numerically, and then I add the programming part 1 or part 2, which is what it is, and then in parenthesis I put in the times that they're scheduled, the default time. So that's the time that it would initiate in first and second service. Once you have both of these, go ahead and drag them down into the training slides section, and you're ready to start working with them, which we will start in our next video, working with and finalizing the settings for the toddler slides.